Hi everyone, it's Jessica here and welcome back to another video tutorial. Today's card is actually a pretty simple one that just talks about some tips about stenciling. It's super easy as well, so I hope you'll enjoy it. So let's begin. First, I'm going to use the stencil from STAMPlorations. They actually have a bunch of other faces stencils as well, and I think they're super unique. You can combine them with different things like how I'm doing with the florals today. So it's really creative and they're perfect for any Mother's Day projects or like wedding projects that I'm doing today. I'm starting off by just ink blending with VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink. You can also use any other black inks that you may have. I'm just using VersaFine Clair today because it's my go-to black ink. I think it's more well known for giving really crisp images when you're stamping, but I just wanted to show you that you can also ink blend with this ink line as well. Then I'll pull in my second stencil, which is the roses one right here, and I will be masking off different areas so that I can strategically arrange them on her head. For the ink blending portion, I'll be using Memento inks. Today I'll be using these two pink shades. One is called Angel Pink and the other one is called Rosebud, which I think is super relevant to today's card. I'm actually going to ink blend each rose individually. You could use a more general approach and just ink blend them as a gradient. I personally just wanted each rose to stand out more, so this is why I'm masking off and ink blending them by themselves. Here's the effect we have going on right now with the ink blending portion. I think it looks really good, but I thought to myself, why not add some more details and layers to this simple card? So I'm actually going to use the same rose stencil, but this time I'll be combining it with shimmery embossing paste. The one I have on hand is actually white, but it's okay because we can always add color by mixing inks with the shimmery embossing paste. So I picked out a favorite color of mine. This is Glamorous from the VersaFine Clair line. It's actually a red color, but when you mix it with a lot of the white paste, it will actually turn into like a rosy pink. Then just like before, I'm going to section off different roses and apply on the embossing paste separately. Finally, I added a die cut sentiment and also added some tear pattern paper at the bottom of the card to create some more texture. So that is the simple card for today. I think it's really manageable. Anyone can make it. So hopefully you can use this technique and give it a try as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time. Bye!